Yo, stay in your car for me. Yo, no, stay in your car. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground and shoot you.
Call him, man.
Okay.
I fucked up.
It's her dad.
Okay.
It all started with nothing more than a simple traffic stop.
Hello, license registration.
Boss, what did I do?
It's all right.
I'm trying to get to work.
I get you. It's the illegal change of lane. I got you. Listen, it's the illegal change of lane. All right.
Okay.
I'll be honest with you. I'm not going to bug you too much about it. I got you. But obviously, I'm right there. The public sees you do it. If I don't do anything about it, they complain. It's my ass. All right. Do you have your license with you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you have a license?
Yeah. My name's Richard Phillips. I own the A1A Fence Company.
All right. Hold on. I'll try to make this quick. Spell your first name.
Richard, R-I-C-H-A-R-D.
Middle initial.
M.
Last name.
Phillips, P-H-I-L-L-I-P-S.
Date of birth.
4/17/75.
All right. Real quick. Anything illegal in the car I should know about? Guns, drugs? Okay.
Just works here.
Hey man, stay in your car for me. Yo, stay in your car for me. Yo, no, stay in your car. Central, I got one running. White male, white and blue shirt. Northbound on Ridgewood, coming up to Bevel. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground and shoot you! Get on the ground! Get on the ground and tase your ass! Get on the fucking ground, put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back!
RC.
Central, one at taser point.
Central, what's your exact
I'm
location?
in jail.
Jones Street.
Right now.
He's on Jones Street.
Hands behind your fucking back!
Fucking move.
Central, I have a civilian helping me.
Civilian help at 909.
One detained. Thank you, man.
Long time.
Stupid motherfucker. What the fuck is wrong with you, dude?
I got kids, man.
Why run?
I work.
That was the dumbest shit.
Oh, good, bro.
What's going on?
Traffic stop, he booked it. He just got out and started running.
Bro, what are you doing? Are you on the stupid bus?
Yeah.
Well,
Time to get to work.
Huh?
Nah.
Real?
Nah, it's fake.
Okay. You're getting 2 resisting charges.
Have anything that's gonna poke or harm me?
No.
Anything pointed or blades? Any weapons? You have anything that's in the truck that shouldn't be?
Shouldn't be, no.
Okay. We're bringing a canine just to check.
Yeah, it shouldn't be. I mean, there might be a weed bowl in there, but
Okay.
I think I took that out.
So again, why did you run?
I got a warrant.
So you ran because of the warrant?
Yeah.
No other reason?
No.
Didn't have anything on you you shouldn't have? Okay.
That's what I'm saying. I got the warrant, man. I'm the only worker in our family.
What's the warrant for?
Violation of control release, CRD. I got 6 months left on my CRD, man. I got to complete. I violated with changing my address before I called it in. But I was in a sober living home and they fucking, me and one of the guys got in an argument, so they're like, you gotta go. So I left without calling, man.
Okay.
I fucked up.
All right. He said he's on probation for controlled release. So it's probably gonna violate him. He's gonna go back for another 6 months. So he's got 6 months left.
Do you know him?
It's her dad.
Okay.
I just tracked his phone.
Okay.
I have to have that truck.
Yeah, he was calling you while he was running, right?
No, he wasn't calling me.
He was calling somebody.
I tracked his phone.
He was on the. Oh, well,
He might have been on the phone when it happened.
No, he ran and started making phone calls. So.
Oh, jeez. So what's gonna happen?
Well, he's going to jail. He obviously has, and plus he has other stuff going on.
What's the other stuff?
Well, I don't know what.
I'm his fiance.
Yeah, I'm not gonna talk about his business, but he has other stuff going on that he's that the reason why he ran, and that's why he's going to jail. And then he's also going to jail for our charges today. So.
For running.
Yeah, you can't run from the cops. Surprisingly.
Yeah, darn.
Yeah.
Can we say bye to him?
We're not going to go up there right now. But like I said, they have a canine getting out, so we're not going over there.
Are you the canine? Because drugs? You can see if he has drugs? This is a work truck. This is my truck.
Yeah,
this is not in his fucking name. This is my car. I'm sorry.
Yeah, well, when
I'm sorry,
he was
my
running,
whole life is just.
Yeah. So I don't know how familiar you are with him, but when he was running, he was reaching in his waistband, throwing stuff out. So we're definitely running a canine.
Because he's such a drug addict, right? Just turned his wallet, but I know what type of people he's probably just throwing his things. So I could find his keys and I could get this truck and just buy this truck so he can make us money.
Yeah, you can't touch the truck right now. We'll figure out what we're doing with the truck after.
You're not towing my truck.
We're gonna figure out what we're doing with the truck after.
You're gonna tell me what you're doing with my truck.
I will tell you when we're finished. Yeah. I don't know yet. So.
I'll just wait here until you're done.
No, that's fine. You can wait right here, okay? Just don't walk up behind us, okay?
So why was he being pulled over?
They were nice. I don't know.
Oh, you wanted to pull over, officer. Sorry. Like I said, I'm just frantic, so I didn't mean to be an asshole.
It's okay.
Because I know I was.
It's all right.
So I apologize.
You're fine.
I'm going in my pocket. I'm trying to grab my phone so I can call my wife.
Yeah, I know, but when you're running from the police,
it's
probably not smart to
They said that. I didn't even I was just trying to get a call in before to her. That's my cousin called and I answered him. Thank you for not shooting me, bro.
Especially in my position, too.
No, you're dead right.
You know what I mean? Like, that's a really, really bad spot.
I heard you say, I'll shoot. I'm thinking, for what? But I was going in my pocket. You're 100% right. You're 1,000% right, bro. Thank you for not shooting me, man. I got a fucking wife and 2 kids, man.
So, really quick, man, you have a prescription for some oxygen?
That's my wife's.
It's your wife's some oxygen?
She's got a subscription for it. And she's got herpes medication, too.
You can't have that in your
I know.
Now you're in constructive possession of it. It's not yours. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I got her herpes medication too in my cooler.
Okay.
But I mean,
I'm going to be searching the vehicle, okay? Is there anything in the vehicle I should know about?
Just the medication, but it's in my bag.
Are you the person who pulled him over?
Yeah.
What do you get pulled over for if you don't mind me asking?
So he got pulled over for an improper lane of change, okay? Listen, I obviously, right in front of me, I don't really care, but the public, they see me not doing something about it, right?
Yeah.
Coming to find out, gives me a fake name, and then gets out the car. I tell him to get back in the car. He's like, no, I got a flat tire. All right, I'm walking over, yelling to get back in the car, and he takes flight and does a track race with me. So, and obviously, he has a history of doing that.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what, he's not going to be coming out pretty soon. He's going to be gone for a while. Hopefully, he learns this time, because multiple times, at some point, you got to figure it out, you know what I mean?
Am I able to say bye to him? Is that okay?
I'll let you say bye to him, yeah. Just when we're done here, then I'll come over, you take your car, and all that stuff, all right?
I'm sorry, look how scared she is. I'm sorry, baby.
All right.
Can I give him a kiss? Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Daddy kissing. Thank you very much. You're very nice. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it.
Thanks again for not shooting my ass, bro.
Have footage or a story the world should see? Share it with us. Have a tip or insight? Drop it in the comments. Every detail matters.